In the autoclave molding process, the step of entering the autoclave after vacuum evacuation serves as a core technical link that connects the preceding and following stages. This procedure begins with evacuating the completely sealed vacuum bag system outside the autoclave. First, by connecting to an external vacuum pump, the air inside the bag is extracted. After the required vacuum level is achieved, a vacuum leak test is conducted to ensure the system is properly sealed. This process simultaneously produces a pre-compaction effect on the prepreg layup, effectively removing the air trapped between the layers. Once the vacuum leak test is passed, the entire vacuum bag assembly is smoothly transferred into the autoclave. Inside the vessel, the mold must be correctly positioned to ensure proper air circulation, and the vacuum lines are reconnected to the autoclave's built-in vacuum ports before the door is closed and securely locked. Subsequently, the system follows the predefined curing cycle, typically applying pressure after heating to a specific temperature. Overall, the fundamental importance of this step lies in its role in eliminating air and volatiles at the source, serving as the primary defense against defects such as porosity and delamination in the cured component.